And further verification is on the day of judgment, on the last day. Surah Al-Ma'idah 5:116. وَإِذْ قَالَ اللَّهُ يَا عِيسَى ابْنَ مَرْيَمَ أَأَنْتَ قُلْتَ لِلنَّاسِ اتَّخِذُونِي وَأُمِّيَّ إِلَٰهَيْنِ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ قَالَ سُبْحَانَكَ مَا يَكُونُ لِي أَنْ أَقُولَ مَا لَيْسَ لِي بِحَقٍّ إِن كُنتُ قُلْتُهُ فَقَدْ عَلِمْتَهُ تَعْلَمُ مَا فِي نَفْسِي وَلَا أَعْلَمُ مَا فِي نَفْسِكَ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ عَلَّامُ الْغُيُوبِ. Now this is on the day of judgment. All mankind will be there. And when Allah said, or God said, "O Jesus, the son of Mary, did you say to mankind that you take me and my mother as gods other than Allah?" He will say, "Glory to you, never could I say what I had no right. If I had such a thing, so definitely you would have known it. You know what is in my soul, self-psyche, and I do not know what is in your soul, self-psyche. Surely you are the knower of all that is absent." Now this is amazing thing. Believe me. You know, all the prophets on the day of judgment are not questioned. We have to give our accounts. You know, mankind is giving their accounts to on the day of judgment. But on the day of judgment, Jesus is being questioned. That did you say unto mankind that worship yourself as God or your mother as God? Did you say that? So Jesus said no. He says no. He said, "Glory to you, never could I say what I have no right. If I had such a thing, you have known it. If I would have said that I am God, you should have known it. Or if I said Mary is God, you should have known it." And believe me, there are 3,000 different versions of the Bible. There is not a single statement where Jesus himself said, "I am God." Even in the Bible scriptures, nowhere he says, "I am God" or "Mary is God."